and the patio is getting replaced. It's under construction right now, so don't hold that against me, but this is a base test. Today's video is a follow-up to a previous video I did a couple months back showing you how hard my system is hitting. It's shaking the entire house and the rear deck that was under construction. I'm hearing a bunch of rattling out here, and I think it's those plywood boards, but something out here was getting it, almost like a trunk rattle for the car. Might have been that plywood up there, I don't know. But that was kind of crazy. So hopefully my new porch will be done in a couple of days.
Windows rattling and the
deck was all shaking, the string was vibrating. Good thing we're beefing it up for you.
Yeah. Since then, the whole deck has been all redone, and I had a few people ask me, how'd the rear deck come out? Well, this video is all about the rear deck. So the deck is done now, and if you're interested in the rest of this video to see how it all came out, keep watching. And thanks for watching. We bought this house exactly 3 years ago, and they told us that the Trex was failing on this patio, but we weren't too worried about it. It was just a little bit soft, but no big deal. We knew we'd replace it at some point until my foot went through it. Then we knew we had a problem. So I knew exactly who to call.
About the inch difference out there. But these ones got a
One part of this deck, particularly over there where that hole is, was a lot softer than the rest. That's why we were able to put up with it for so long. We just didn't really go in that area too often. When we first bought the house, we didn't want to make too much of a stink about it because, well, we wanted the house really bad and we didn't want complaining to be a problem. So we figured we would deal with it when the time came. Well, the time is now. Looks flimsy like a wet noodle.
Oh, it's terrible. I've never seen it get like that.
These boards were literally disintegrating as they were throwing them off the deck. They were literally shattering and disintegrating as they were hitting the ground. About 4 hours later. Yep. Is this the danger zone or what?
Yes, sir.
I will not be walking past this right here. Go ahead and set that. Yeah. This guy's out there getting busy. The rest of the structure was in good shape. They inspected everything. A couple little stains from the water coming through the old planks, but other than that, everything's in good shape. So they decided to tighten everything up and replace what needed to be replaced. Take it from there. We're up here. The color we chose for our new deck, spiced rum, with white sleeves over the new 4x4 railing posts. In order to do a little direction change on the boards, they had to add some structure going the opposite direction. After tightening everything up, they painted the tops of all the joists black, so when you look through the new boards, you don't see the original gray poking through. It definitely adds a degree of difficulty being up on the second story, and the fact that there's a hill in front of my house makes it feel even higher than it really is. The original railing posts were actually just screwed right down to the deck. These ones are all new 4x4s, and he's got them blocked in with 2x12s going in 3 different directions. They are not moving. Almost done. Just need some railings and some sleeves on these poles. Extremely strong. Extremely.
That's on me to hit the second board. It's sinking in. What?
Oh yeah, that's starting to look awesome. What a difference. done.
Like at the top, going into the post. Yeah, yeah.
Looking badass. Brand new.
Okay. Go over to the right. There you go, right there.
All done. Everything completed. Everything put back out here. So it's been about a month since this has been completed. And I just wanted to report back and let everybody know we love it. It's awesome. It's such a relief. It's so strong and nice and clean and perfect. We even went and bought some of these little lights right here for the top. Some solar powered LED lights. They look real nice at night. Another reason we went with the 4x4s with the white post sleeves is to match our original front porch, which it does. We've had this on here for over a month now, and just walking around here, even in your bare feet, it's so nice. It's strong, it's not flimsy or anything, of course, it's brand new, but it's just so much nicer. Much better. I'm glad that's done, and it's beautiful.